All right.
And have him.
Okay. All right, so y'all already know what it is. Of course, first mod is getting, what am I getting? Mid muffler delete. Oh. We are at our favorite place. You know, cause she real quiet right now, like almost at a whisper. So I am getting the mid muffler delete, right? I can edit this.
You're gonna do the same damn thing you're playing with a lot of other ones. You're not gonna go through this shit and everybody's asking you what the hell we did and all that. You're gonna go under that bitch and you're gonna explain what the hell. I'm gonna tell them what we want done and all that other shit.
Alright, so right now they are putting it, lifting it up so they can go underneath and see what's up. Alright, so those are the mid mufflers right there. Right here.
And these are the resonators.
And these right here are.
What price are
Hold on with me. And these are the
I was going to
resonators.
show you the tips to see exactly which ones you want. That way he can give you a set price for it.
Okay. So we want to get these taken off?
Yeah.
Completely and get these taken off. Yeah.
So we're gonna do. This thing's moving. Alright, so we're gonna do
So last
mid
time.
muffler delete and we're gonna delete these, which are the resonators. And now we are picking the. Oh man,
You want black?
black.
See if they have fibers black inside looking.
I really would like to have chrome.
For
Oh no, I gotta be fibers.
yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, huh?
It
No.
matches
It
with the
does.
matte black. Everything on the car.
What do y'all think? Y'all think I should get the black or the chrome?
It'll be too late, motherfucker.
I know that. The black? Yeah. Yeah, and plus once I get my rear diffuser, it's gonna. I don't know. Let's see how it will look. All right, let's just do a little test to see how it will look.
Oh, that's.
Okay, just put it up to that. Yeah.
This ain't trying on the.
This is. We got to accessorize. Turn it a little bit. Turn it the other way. Yeah, like it would be on there. Goodness. Yeah, like yeah. Thanks. Perfect. Good. Thank you. What y'all think? I mean, it does look good. I think the chrome stands out more, though. Let's see. Ooh. That's 5?
It's the same, just in chrome.
Shoot, this is a hard decision, actually. That black does look good.
Oh shit, that's why I suggested it.
I'm gonna go ahead and go with the black. I got, you gotta switch. I guess I just gotta switch up everything. So I'm gonna go with the black. That black look good. Since I have all that black on there. And then once I get the black rear diffuser, because this one is it black? Is it, or more like gray?
Black, ashy as fuck.
Ashy black. But ooh, I can't wait to hear how it sounds.
It's crazy when from the back it looks just like
My was it spoiler was white, so I feel like it don't I don't know, it don't look like, maybe because I had all that deleted, all that debadge and all that stuff too, which debadge video coming soon, because we gotta take that Dodge and that Charger off there. We'll probably have to go to T-Rose tint shop and go ahead and tint my tail lights. We out there. I think I'll probably do the black. I'll either do the black or I might do the sparkly again. The sparkly's cute. Let's see something. What happened? What?
What do you think?
trying to think about, because I did mine separately, I think.
Yeah, I think
So,
you came in.
how much is the mid muffler just delete?
He's saying 90 for each
that's
one.
90 for each one.
Yeah, es cada uno, 90. Los dos. Yeah. He's saying 90 for both.
Yeah, that's how much. That's how much he charged me, but then they charged me 160, so 90 for 150 as well. Yeah, that's good.
And another people going 330.
We'll do it.
330. Yeah, no, it comes with a 1-year warranty. Anything happens to it, you turn it back.
Okay.
Just give him a little minute. He's almost done with this one. He'll get right on it. Okay?
So we're not doing the resonator, or we are doing
Yeah.
it? Okay.
Is that good?
I'm cool.
Just making sure. I want you to feel comfortable.
No, I'm cool. I mean, it's definitely, but we never came and did it all at once.
Yeah. See, that's the difference. It's all at once. So you're going to save a little more money, like you said. You come and get a piece by piece.
Yeah.
That's going to be different. Y'all want, like I said, y'all can chill out wherever y'all want.
Okay. And this how much for the 5-inch tips, the muffler?
All of it's 330.
330.
Yeah.
So 330 for all of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
330. 1-year warranty on all of it. Okay.
All right. So I don't want to hear y'all asking in the comments, how much did it cost to get that done? And we are at the same place that I got all my stuff done at. New Star Muffler. And this is on 249 and in Washington. And this is their number 2. They're open Monday to Friday, 8 to 6, Saturday from 8 to 4:30. Huh? Oh, yes.
I went to the retros.
Yes, and somebody changed their rims back. If you have not watched the epic fail video, make sure you go back and watch it. And then drop a comment on this video. All that he went through, all that money he spent to switch them rims out, and then he had to go watch the video if you ain't seen it. But all that money he spent on them rims, and he went back to his original freaking rims. But you know what though? I'm glad he went back to these, because to be honest, I like these a lot better anyway. I don't know why he changed them in the first place. If he'd listened to me, he would have saved like a lot of money, and then I could have spent it.
That shit ain't
Yeah.
stop you from spending money, trust me.
It didn't stop me from spending money at all. But don't these rims look so much better? I might insert a video of the other rims just in case y'all forgot what they look like. But yes, them rims look so. I love these rims actually. Like I would put these on my car. That's how much I like them. Like I've never seen like anybody else with these rims either. Like his other ones, they just look familiar. Like they didn't stand out at all to me. I might have to change my 392. Mine is black, but I don't know. I feel like it might not show up that good on the white. If I switch my 392 to like the gray, it wouldn't stand out as much as the black.
Yeah, it would, because it's not like this.
Oh,
it's cut out.
Oh, okay.
So it's a cutout.
And also, I don't know. I might make this into a few different videos. I mean, oh, okay. So, this is the other, and this is like the psychedelic gray, like the wrap. So I might change it out. You know, something different.
Yeah, when you get it wrapped.
Yeah, but it'll be after if I get it wrapped or something. If I get it wrapped the same. I'm not really worried about a wrap today. Somebody said I wasn't getting no mods for a while, so that 392 is cute because it changes colors like the wrap. Alright, so they haven't started my car yet. I'm gonna start back recording when they start. Huh? I ain't trying to get them to do face or nothing. I'm finna be back here. Alright, so right now he's about to remove the muffler. Huh?
Time lapse this. A little chair, so you sit down. Boss, we're gonna keep everything too. We're gonna keep everything.
One down, one to go. So right now, alright, so it's cut right now. Let's connect it. Alright. Alright, so now he's welding it back on. Let me get a little closer.
Actually, he's welding the pipe.
Welding the pipe.
It's nothing. It's just an empty pipe. Just connecting the pieces. That gap is just connecting a little empty pipe.
I was sitting in the car and I meant to come back over here before he had cut the resonators off. But I was in there on Instagram. Resonator off already? My tips. So I'll tell them how I want the things to poke out.
Nah. Algae, when you want them to stick out, probably come back out. I like that.
No more.
What the fuck? That's more than last time.
That's not.
Wait. How far you want it? Way back here?
Yep.
Oh my god. That's what she said. That's what she want. But and can we make it just so it's not touching the plastic? I don't want the plastic to melt.
Yeah, don't worry.
Fuck, you think this is a motorcycle?
Nah. I don't want my tips to be poking out. I want my tips to be poking out.
Chill, weirdo.
Alright, let's see.
You might have to come out a little bit more.
Yeah.
I don't know how straight your car is on me. Oh, I got you. Yeah. 2 inches.
2 inches.
2 inches.
You gotta raise it up a little bit.
I think it's good right there.
Yeah,
It is to be.
You gotta raise it up.
But
Yeah.
ours is good.
Yes, out good.
I gotta do some deep edging. I might have to do that today. They're done. Definitely a difference. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Big difference from my first cold start. I guess this is my first one here. So we're gonna keep the mufflers and the resonators, because usually we don't keep them. Huh?
I did like a dog, a little horny fucking dog. This big thing.
Really?
Unnecessary.
Sound like I hated to me. We should have put all this dirty stuff in the
Okay, just make it a lot.
we should put the dirty stuff in his car. Yeah. Thing sound good. Hey, homie. Be careful on that gas. Alright, so it's the final product. Gotta go. Just gotta go pay. As much as we come here, we need to be getting like a discount. It looks good. I like it. It's talking now. Y'all. Oh, it's whispering. Oh, let me go over here and get my gimbal. Alright. I swear I stay out in the sun, boy. Alright, so next on the list is I gotta get some tint. I can't just be riding around people looking all in my face. That's just not cool. Plus, What I didn't realize is, man, it be so hot without having tent. Ooh, I was sitting picking up Zara. Hold on. Okay, I gotta turn the AC on. Yeah, I was picking up Zara yesterday, and I'm like, man, is this AC not working? I realized, like, man, the sun is just like shining in my face. But yeah. So next, we're about to go to the tent shop, cause like you can see in here. All right, so this is probably gonna be the end of this video. Actually, no, I'll do some more sound in this video. So this won't be the end of this video, but this is gonna be the end for right now. So I'll see y'all back in a little bit. Bye. Ooh, we just got. Okay, let me just.
Oh, it makes the front look darker too.
Yeah, it does.
Get that yellow ass shit off the fucking thing.
You talk about my Christmas tree?
Ain't no good yellow Christmas tree in history.
Hey, I'm seeing some yellow tree. Ooh. So, just got them windows tinted. Of course, I had to do that because, like, ooh. Huh? It looks so much better with the windows tinted. That joint was like, you can see right up in that thing earlier. And they didn't take long to do it either. Definitely looks way darker in there. But you can still see my yellow Christmas tree.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be